is the video review of Cybertron Leader Class Optimus Prime. She's a fire truck. Comes with 4 modes. Fire truck, this mode, and jet mode. Whoops, the little gun popped off, but you get it. Jet mode is simply easy. You just open the wings, put that down, and just up like that. Same for this one. You want to do that. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. Just like that. Jet mode. That's 3 modes. Actually, there's 5 modes that I forgot, but you get it. Like that. You want to take this off, put it to the side, and this you want to put that down like that. You want to then pull that back, just like that, and down. I lost the little matrix thing, but you know, put the things in, and you want to open these like that, snap them onto place, put that down, go like that. And you want to pull up the head from the back, just put the legs apart, and there you go. He can hold his gun. Snap it into place, it down there. Actually, shoots pretty fast. Now, super mode. To get him ready, you want to then get back here, flip this all the way like that, push that in. Just like that. And his head, to open like that, go back here, and then you want to pull this tab down, which will activate his little mouth thing. Then you want to put them off to the side, and then grab this, and then this hybrid key, you put that, I took the batteries out, put this hybrid key in there, this opens, and shoots a little light right there, and this hybrid key in here, and these little things open, just like that. And I want to take this off, put this off to the side, split this apart, turn that down, flip it in, turn that down. This is a little loose, you can see. But so Optimus Prime's leg, and you want to snap it on. Just like that. Do the same for the other one. Oh, wait. And you want to grab this, ready, just like that, and pull it down, put it on his back. Just like that. And put this down. And then same for this. Snap it, and there is Superman. I'm looking forward to buying Savage Claw mode. You just snap that off and pull that down. Grab his arm, put it back here, just like in Truck Mode, just like that. Just like that. And then put Super Mode back on. Just like that. And there's a slot right there for Savage Claw mode. In Wing Saber mode, I don't know the instructions, but you know. And here is Jetfly, which I already showed you him.